In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access payroll in Zoho Books. Whether you're a business owner or someone who needs to manage payroll efficiently, Zoho Books can be a handy tool. Let's start from the very beginning and make sure you can smoothly navigate through this process. First, you'll want to access your Zoho Books account. Go to the website specified for your region. In this case, it's books.zoho.in. From here, log into your account with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard page. This is your main hub, where you can see all the financial data at a glance, an important feature for monitoring your company's financial health. Next on the agenda is to locate the menu in the top left corner of the dashboard. This is where you'll find various options and features that Zoho Books has to offer. If you're not immediately familiar with where things are, don't worry. Take a moment to explore the options if you'd like. But our focus today is on accessing payroll. So go ahead and click on Zoho Payroll from this menu. This step is crucial as it takes you one step closer to managing your payroll effectively. After selecting Zoho Payroll, you should see an Access Payroll button. Click on this button and you'll be directed to the section where you can manage all things related to payroll. Here, you'll find a user-friendly form designed to help you connect and configure the Zoho payroll requirements. This setup might include linking employee data, defining pay components, and setting up compliance settings, among other necessities to get your payroll started. As you navigate through this process, make sure to have any relevant information handy, such as employee details or tax information, as this will help streamline the setup. If you encounter any issues, Zoho also offers customer support resources to assist you, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. In conclusion, accessing payroll through Zoho Books is a straightforward process once you know where to look and click. By following these steps, you've learned how to navigate from your dashboard to the payroll section with ease, effectively connecting your payroll needs in Zoho Books. This small but critical step ensures your payroll is managed accurately and efficiently, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to make the most out of your Zoho Books experience.